Dagan kay gaingon no na strong daw kayo akong energy or presence pag makita nila ako in personal. And I want to point out the power of frame control. So basically, yung skill ko ngayon because of my age and also the time, the effort that I made to improve myself, not just by manifesting physically, but also internal mindset shift that change my perception um, through the world and also myself. Frame control is basically you're controlling your own state, no? You don't let others dictate how you feel. And it's a common thing for us to be controlled by our frame, especially when we are social beings trying to communicate to others and try to please others. That's when others try to, judge you from that. And through socialization, you would really experience, a hierarchy and people trying to control frames. And in my journey, no, I always try to seek for freedom, positivity, confidence. And because of this, what I'm seeking by, I need to carve a path that is somewhat unique. And in my case, by having this solo mission, solo travel, adventure, mao ni siyang nakapasolid sa ako ang state. It's because na-realize na ko na diri day ko hawd. I'm good at being solo. I'm good at deciding on my decisions. I mean, I had couple of mistakes. I had a lot of mistakes. Every one of us makes mistakes. But in general, since I was around the high school until now, I'm almost 30 na, I discovered that being solo makes me stronger mentally, to have that mind shift na I cannot be bothered by other circumstance because what's important is how I feel, no? They're bashing, they're hating on you, they try to inflict fear on you but you stand your ground. I mean, there's times na you don't need to fight it out, no? But you need to stand your ground, stand your energy if you did not do anything wrong, if you don't think that you're gonna be physically hurt, then do not be bothered, brother. Unbothered, brother. That's mental frame. That's state control, frame control. Peace and love.